Hello and welcome. I am Ankit Singla from Aanav Creations. Welcomes you in a digital marketing new sessions. So our today's topic is your digital opportunity. Kindly don't forget to subscribe our channel for better updates and for knowledge, and press the bell icon for next notifications and like the video as well. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. As I told you, our today's topic is your digital opportunity in the digital marketing. So, hi, you have seen how digital have transformed our daily lives. But now let's get practical. What do the growth number of online opportunities actually look like for you? In this video, we will discuss the core components of digital and how they relate to your business and how to get started into the digital marketing. Let's say you are a mechanic whose business has grown strictly through referrals and word of mouth. So far, you have had no digital presence, but now you want to take your business to the next level. How would being online help your business succeed? One of the biggest advantages of being online is reaping the benefits of search in the digital marketing theories. Having a special digital presence means you will be visible. When people go online and search for business like yours, so let's assume someone searches for mechanic Swansa and your shop appears in the results. How can this benefit your business? Well, the possibilities are virtually endless. When a customer clicks a link to your website, there is so much that they can learn about you. They can go to your website as well. They might watch a video you posted about auto maintenance that demonstrate your knowledge. They could read testimonials from happy customers. They might look through your pricing guide, find your shop on a map, or find that you offer free towing within a 40-mile radius. Maybe they will fill out a form to ask a question or request a quotations for your products and services. They might even click over to your social media sites, where they will find even more tips, photos and videos as well. You might not stop you by having all the features on your website, but these examples should give you a sense of the many ways you can benefit from being online. And yes, you can guess what? There's a more things. Your online presence can also give you valuable insight into your prospective customers, what they want and how to give it to them. How? Well, digital allows you to show targeted advertising to people right when they are looking for what you have to offer. For example, using search advertising, you can show ads to potential customers, such as people searching for auto repair Swansa. Okay. You can also restrict ads to show within a certain geographic radius of your shop. You can learn to use analytics tool to find out if people clicked on your ad, visited your site and took certain actions like filling out a form or watching a video. Exciting, right? But how do you get started? Well, first, don't be intimidated. The tools and technologies available today are easy to learn, easy to use and easy to acquire in the daily needs. Many are even free. In fact, for many businesses, the biggest challenge to being online is not getting used to the tools but putting a plan together. We have got lots of videos that are gonna help you to do just like that. Let's run down a quick list of the major things you want to consider. The first is scope, web, mobile and social. These are the three fundamentals of digital marketing. There are many options. Where do you want to start and where do you want to go? Next is technology and content. Decide if you will handle the technical and creative aspects of your site yourselves, which may take more time to get help, which may take more money. Finally, you want to consider cost and time. Set a realistic budget and an achievable schedule with clear milestones and commit fully to the both. Every day, thousands of small businesses owners are making the web work for them. The opportunity to reach customers from around the corner and around the globe is too big to ignore. It's time to take the plunge and go digital. I hope you get all the information regards to this topic. If any queries, just comment us, just tweet us, just Facebook message us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like the video and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you very much. Have a good day.